Hello everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through how to download Keno application on your mobile device. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you'd like to download Keno application or a Keno game right on your mobile device, then the process is quite easy. First, make sure that your mobile device is connected to a stable internet, and then open up your App Store or your Play Store. In the search box, type in Keno and search. There are several Keno applications available on both App Store and Play Store. Go ahead and find the one that you are looking for. In my case, I'm gonna download this Keno classic game from Absolute Games. Simply tap on the Get button to start with the downloading process, and you'll be able to download and install Keno application right on your mobile phone. That is how it can be easily done. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.